Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. In today's video, we're going to talk about similarities and the way you can express those. There are three different ways. We're going to start with the first one, which is a reflexive verb, parecerse. So, parecerse is to be similar, but you can say, I am similar to something or to somebody in something. Yeah. So, uh, parecerse a is when you are similar to something, and the word en means in what you are similar. So let's have a look at these examples here. Well, first of all, remember this is a reflexive structure, right? So we have yo, me, tú, te, él, se, nosotros, nos, vosotros, os, ellos, se. We have already talked about this reflexive structure. This verb is reflexive, yeah, and that's the way it's conjugated, yeah. Yo me parezco. Yo me parezco is I am similar. Tú te pareces is you are similar. Él se parece is he's similar, and so on. And then we're going to decide whether to put one of these or maybe both. You can say you are similar to me in so many ways. So, like, let's have a look at these examples here. Yo me parezco a mi madre en lo terco. It's like I am similar to my mother. I am similar to my mother in the stubborn, in the way in the way she's stubborn, yeah. Mi hermana no se parece en nada a mi padre. Is my sister that is not similar at all, in nothing, my sister is not similar in nothing, to my, like, she's not similar to my father in nothing. um Remember that if you want to make a negative sentence, please just put the no right after the personal pronoun, and it's going to become a negative sentence. Mi hermana no se parece, yeah. Mi hermana is a she. Mi hermana no se parece. The last one. Esta casa se parece a la mía. So pretty much it's an easy sentence. Esta casa is a third person, yeah, a house. So esta casa se parece a la mía. Like this house, like is similar to mine. Yeah, remember la mía, mine, la tuya, yours, la suya, hers, his, right? La nuestra, ours, and so on. Okay, so parecerse a or parecerse en is to be similar. Yeah, and yeah, let's have a look at some other ways to express the similarities. So so we have parecer, not reflexive. Here it was reflexive, parecer se, but here is just parecer. And here, parecer is more like to look like. Yeah, it's not like to be similar in general, but it's just to look like. So it's exactly the same thing, but we don't use the reflexive pronoun, the one that was here before. Yeah, the me, te, se, and so on. So yo parezco is like I look like. Tú pareces, you look like. Él parece, he looks like, and so on. So yo parezco un loco. I look like a crazy. Yeah. Also, the word como is optional. We can put it after it. Mi hermana parece como un artista. She looks like an artist. Yeah. Okay. Esta casa parece un castillo. This house looks like a castle. Yeah. So parecer is more like it looks like. Yeah. To look like. Now you can put this word como. It's optional, but it's important to understand what the word como means. And the word como works exactly as the word like in English. So you have yo soy como ella. I am like her. Yo soy como ella. Ella es como tu mamá. She is like your mother. So it's like the word like. to be like. Yeah. And also, well, mi perro es como el tuyo. My dog is like yours. Mi casa es como un bar. My house is like a bar. But also the word like expresses like when you talk about quantities, you express like it's not exact, it's like roughly an amount. So tengo como $10. I have like $10. So it's not exactly 10, maybe 11 or 12 or 9. So it's like to express like the inaccuracy of the amount. That hace como 2 horas, like 2 hours, like 2 hours ago, blah, 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 blah. Me faltan como tres cosas. Oh, a mí me falta. It's a perceptive verb. It's a nice one. It's like I still, like I'm lacking. I am lacking something. So me faltan como tres cosas. Like I'm lacking like three more things. Like there are three more things that you need. No es como un perro. It's not like a dog. So you see how the word like works, like como. It's exactly the word like, and it works exactly like in English. So yeah, now to express inaccuracy of numbers and also to say like similarity. Yeah. Uh, Good. And let's have a look at the last one. Um, the last one is going to be verse como. This one is a reflexive verb, verse, right? Como. And it's also to look like. So yo me veo, yeah, I look like como. And here we're going to use the word como. It's not optional, we have to use it. Yo me veo como un loco. So the one before, I look like a crazy person. So yo me veo como un loco. Well, in this example, yo me veo como tu jefe. I look like your boss. Maybe if I look like him, so I can tell a person, I look like your boss. Yeah. Or, oh, you look like Madonna. I don't know. Tú te ves como Madonna. So, yeah, you can say many things with this. Mi hermana se ve como una persona famosa. My sister is a she, right? Mi hermana se ve como una persona famosa, a famous person. And the last one, yo me veo como un tipo serio. Tipo is like a guy. Yeah. Yo me veo como un tipo serio. I look like a serious guy. So yeah, yo me veo como I look like a serious guy, un tipo serio. And that will be it. So you learn three different ways to talk about similarities, right? This one, parecerse reflexive, parecer not reflexive to look like, verse como to look like also. And how to practice it? Well, uh, I mean, easy. Just look for similarities. Well, do your quiz, the flashcards, and do your writing. Um, and look for similarities. And when you have conversations with people, just look for similarities between people, places, situations, things in general, and just use the three ways that we learned before to express that. So yeah, you just have to look for similarities and just tell the other person about those similarities, or things in common that you found. Yeah. So that will be it. Have a lot of fun with this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Hasta luego.